Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a credit card with HSBC. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To configure a credit card with HSBC, begin by visiting the official HSBC. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your user ID and password to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on the register link to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the cards section in the main menu. Select Manage My Cards from the drop-down options. Look for the option to add a credit card or configure a new card. Click on this option to start the configuration process. You will be prompted to enter your credit card details, including the card number and expiry date. Also, provide the security code found on the back of your card. Next, verify your personal information to ensure it matches the information on file. Review the terms and conditions presented on the screen. Read all the details carefully before proceeding. Once you agree to the terms, click on the Submit button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your card is now configured. If you want to set up alerts for transactions, go to the Alerts section. Toggle the options for notifications according to your preference. Finally, log out of your account to ensure your information remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.